I just noticed that my cat took a pee in my kitchen on a bag or whatever. Has 41 views. It's the most viewed video on my whole channel. It could have been any of them. Really. Any of them. It has to be that one, and it has to be that one. Really. It could have been any of my other videos. Like my V-Swarm one, or my Ragdoll or something, or my first video, I don't know, but that specific one, really.